Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove space between text in Squarespace. So right there, as you can see, if you have a really wide spacing between text, it's pretty simple to do. You will need just a code. Now, to edit the spacing, you will need to go to the pages. Now you're gonna see the utilities and website tools. You're gonna click on that. Now you choose custom CSS. And now you will enter the code, which is called p line height number 1. So it may be a different. Let's zoom in. This is what the code looks like. You can choose, for example, the spacing number 2. And let's see. Now, as you can see, it's way wider. You can do a 1, and now it's way closer together. So you basically just change this one number to anything you like, and your spacing between the lines will change between the text. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.